Hey, it's Rev Stephanie Denise. I hope that you are having a fantastic day. I want to talk to you about something. We have a challenge going on, my friend group. And so I said, let me go ahead and share this challenge. The challenge is how can you make 10,000 in 30 days? Make 10,000 in 30 days. Are you up for the challenge? All right, so let me tell you the things that we worked on when we were on this challenge, right? So keep in mind that these are just suggestions and I'm not guaranteeing immediate results. I'm not guaranteeing immediate results, but why not play this game? We had a lot of fun with this, and I'll give you the results of how it turned out after you share with me what your results were in 30 days. All right, so here are some steps that you can consider in this challenge. Number one, right? So get your pen, get your paper. You got to get these down. And for those of you, while you're getting your pen and your paper, I'm Reverend Stephanie Denise. I am an author, twin mom, real estate investor, and author of two books, 21 Days of Faith, Finding Your Purpose, and Let's Talk About Finance for Women. All right, do you have your paper? Here we go. Number one, freelancing, right? Freelancing. You can offer your skills, you can offer your expertise on freelancing platforms, right? There are platforms for this, like Upwork, UPWORK, Fiverr, or Freelancer. So you can provide skills like writing, graphic design, programming, or virtual assistants. So that's one way. Number two, sell products online. Sell products online. Okay. Consider selling on platforms like Etsy, eBay, Amazon. You can sell handmade products, vintage goods, or even drop ship products. Now, I've sold things on Facebook Marketplace and been successful. I've sold things on Etsy. Actually, when my daughter was little, she had a soap business and we made handmade soaps and sold them on Etsy and did really well. So this is a good one. Sell products online, right? Etsy, eBay, Amazon. I have a couple of books on Amazon right now that are selling, right? Let's talk about Finance for Women is doing really great on Amazon right now. All right, so check that out. Number three, are you ready? Consulting. Consulting. Why? You're an expert. Do not negate your expertise, right? So, consulting, if you have specialized knowledge in a particular field, this is really good. You can offer consulting services to businesses or individuals. It's up to you how you want to work. But consulting is really, really good. Why? Because you're an expert and people need your expertise. Number four, tutoring. Tutoring. Offer tutoring services in subjects that you are knowledgeable in. Offer tutoring services in subjects that you are knowledgeable in. When this has been 20 years, but 20 years ago, I tutored in math. I loved to tutor in math, right? As a matter of fact, we were out 2 days ago and we ran into one of the moms. We were at Honey Baked Ham, as a matter of fact. We ran into one of the moms of one of the girls who I tutored, and she was in middle school when I tutored her, right? And she's a grown woman with her own kids now, right? So tutoring is a great way. Offer your services in tutoring. You're knowledgeable in subjects. You can do it, and you can do it locally or you could do it online. Okay. Let's go to number five. Investing. If you have some savings, consider investing in stocks, right? Cryptocurrencies or real estate. I love investing, right? Investing is kind of a passive situation, right? You can make it a little more active, but investing is a great way. That's number five. Keep in mind, though, investing does come with risk. Let me say that one more time. Investing does come with risk, okay? Number six, event planning, right? We just came through Thanksgiving. Were you the one who made everything absolutely beautiful, made the centerpieces for the table, did all the decorations? Event planning is very real and very lucrative. And it's the holiday season. People need help with this, right? So if you have experience in event planning, you can offer your services for weddings, for parties, corporate events. It's a lucrative business. I kind of have done just about everything that there is to do at some point. I say my life has had many seasons, but way back in the day when I was in my late teens and early 20s, I did makeup for weddings as well as wedding hair, right? Can't do other kind of hair, but I can do wedding hair. I knew how to work that. So that was a very lucrative business, right? You can do it. If you have event planning skills, put those skills to use. You can offer your services and you can charge what is reasonable or fair for you, right? You get to set that. All right, let's go to number 7. Social media management. Social media management. Ooh, this is a big one. Hey, I might need your services, right? I need a social media manager. That is an area where I need some help, right? So you can offer your social media management services to businesses or individuals who are looking to improve their online presence, right? So do it. There is nothing stopping you but you. So now is the time. Now is the time. All right, number 8, virtual assistant. You can provide virtual assistant services to busy professionals or entrepreneurs who need help with administrative tasks. Trust and believe. I'm one of those people. Maybe you can even call me. I need help with those administrative tasks and services, right? There are some things that we love to do. I love to talk. I love to be in front of people. I love to help. I love to serve. But as far as the behind the scenes stuff that needs to be done, that's not my thing. So let's go to number 9, online courses. Are you a teacher? You can do it. Create and sell online courses, right? There's so many platforms out there. There's like Udemy, there's Teachable. Are you knowledgeable about a topic? Set up an online course and watch people flock to it, right? Number 10, this is our last one. Side hustles. Side hustles, right? Consider driving for rideshare services. That's a great side hustle. Rent out rooms on Airbnb. I love this one. Airbnb works well, right? Or VRBO or some other platform. Pet sitting is also a great way to earn extra income. I have a girlfriend. She has 7 to 8 dogs at a time. She, even with her pet sitting service, allows them to have overnights, right? So that gives the pet moms and pet dads and pet grandmas and pet grandpas time to be able to spend with their family or go on trips, right? Very, very lucrative business, pet sitting. So just think about those. So remember, making 10,000 in 30 days requires dedication. It also requires some hard work and a bit of blessings and luck, right? And we're not big believers in luck, but we do believe that if you pray like it depends on God and work like it depends on you, there's something that happens. There's some kind of synergy that takes place. So set your intention and see what happens. Be blessed. Be blessed in this endeavor. In 30 days, let me know how it turned out. In 30 days, let me know how it turned out. You could do it. You could do it. And if you think of any other great ways to add to this list of 10, please share. All right. Well, be blessed in this endeavor. And I'm so excited for you. I know you could do it.